Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. Last week's video I showed you how to set up users in Linux, how to add more than one account to the system. In this week's video I'm going to show you how to control what each user can and can't do. For example, you might want one user to access a disk drive or floppy drive, and you might want another user not to be able to access the CD-ROM drive or DVD drive. How do you go about setting it up in Linux? So if you press on the menu button at the bottom here and type in users, we're going to click on user and groups. You see here we've got myself as the administrator and Alinko as the added user we added last week. Now here we've got Alinko who can change the name of it by clicking on change. It wants the password, so it wants the administrator password, so you need admin privilege to do this. Get the password. We can change the name. You've got account type and we've got custom. I can change it. So custom administrator, so we can set Alinko up as an administrator. We can set the Alinko up as a desktop user, where you can perform common tasks, can't install software or change settings affecting all users. But if you want a bit more control than that, you've got advanced settings. If you click on advanced settings, and you've got user privileges. If you make this a bit bigger, and here you can say you want this user to be able to configure printers, connect to the internet using a modem, connect to wireless and Ethernet networks, monitor system logs. For example, if you want this user just to use audio devices, CD-ROMs, floppy disks, and it will say a scanner. There's nothing else we want. We want to make the user be able to send and receive faxes. We can just tick the boxes for what we want the user to do. So I've ticked send and receive faxes, use audio devices, use CD-ROM. That'll also work for DVD-ROMs. Use floppy drives and use scanners. There we go. I've made a custom account for Alinko, and you can always change that back by going to advanced settings again and say I don't want him to use a scanner. Just tick the box. Don't want him to use a floppy drive. Don't want him to be able to send and receive faxes. Want no sound. I don't want him to use a CD-ROM at all. All I want him to do is access external drives automatically. So I can just tick that one. If I want him to do just one other thing, I can tick it again, get rid of it. So I want him to just use a CD-ROM. I just tick it and press OK. I can then go advanced settings, tick it again, press OK, and you've still got the custom account type. Now if I want to change here and do it as a desktop user and press OK, it says account type there, desktop user. Go to admin, I'll change it as the administrator, desktop user. We're going to leave him as a desktop user, and it says account type desktop user and password RSET login. Now if I click on advanced settings, we can see what a desktop user can do. Access external media, connect to the internet, monitor system logs, so I don't want that one, that one, that one or that one. They can use CD-ROM, floppy drives, modems, tape drives and video drives. We press OK. It now says account type custom, so we've gone back to custom where we can set up what we want. If you found this video of some use, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. That was how to change user settings in Linux and control what each user can and can't do. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next one.